Unfortunately, many West Michigan communities are dealing with the opioid crisis. Here in Kent County, starting next month, ambulances will not only carry Narcan to use during an overdose, but will have Narcan kits to leave behind to help save a life in the future.
It does come with a box of intranasal Narcan.
It's a known fact that Narcan can save a person who is having an opioid overdose.
Narcan has actually made quite an evolution in the last few years. It's more than accessible to patients now through vending machines or mail delivery services.
To make the drug even more available, starting May 1st, all 3 Kent County ambulance companies will carry a Narcan kit to leave behind after treating someone dealing with an addiction.
We do carry Narcan in our ambulances currently. That Narcan is for emergency situations. This is more of a harm reduction approach to the issues that we're dealing with in Kent County.
Included in the kit, 2 doses of nasal Narcan, instructions, and a QR code for substance abuse resources.
EMS hasn't had a chance to really integrate these kind of harm reduction strategies into their practices. And so what this will do is allow them to leave that behind and educate the patient or a family member in case they were witness to an overdose.
The more somebody goes without oxygen to their brain, the lower the chance of a positive outcome.
Alex Truman, American Medical Response Operation Manager for West Michigan, says the quicker someone can get a dose of Narcan, the better the outcome when emergency responders arrive.
This is going to minimize the amount of time it takes from an individual who identifies that a person that they are around, family member, loved one, is suffering from an overdose. And if they notice that at the same time that they call 911 and administer it at that time, there's a higher likelihood that they're going to survive.
Kent County Emergency Medical Services says last year first responders administered Narcan 784 times. They hope this program will lower that number and save lives.
I think it'll make a huge impact for just not only Narcan access for our community members, just actual harm reduction within EMS. I think that's something that we haven't typically done in the past.
If you need help or know someone dealing with an opioid addiction, you can go to these websites, redproject.org or wmrmcc.org/MCA/Kent/SUD-resources. I will also have a link to these sites in the web version of this story on fox17online.com. Just search Narcan. In Grand Rapids, Darren Bauer, Fox 17 News.